Providing a safe and comfortable environment for your residents is a top priority. At Homestead Village in Lancaster, the facility manager faced recurring leaks, clogged gutters, and general repairs for which he couldn't find a reliable contractor. Jeff was looking for a roofing contractor and maintenance company who could communicate clearly, work within the budget, and ensure timely and correct repairs. Joyland Roofing was contacted back in 2017, and since then, we've been handling every job at Homestead Village with the utmost care and attention to detail. A roof system plays a big role in the comfort and security of your residents, and the last thing you want is a roof leak causing expensive interior repairs, disruption, and anxious residents. We understand that they require high attention to cleanliness and safety. Communication is key. We've made it easy for Jeff to understand our pricing and details, making it a breeze to present to the board for approval. Whether he's calling us to fix a gutter, replace a roof, or patch a leak, we do our best to make his job easier. Our comprehensive inspections with video footage helps his team understand our recommendations so they know what they're getting and why it's needed. And it's not just Homestead Village. Other senior living facilities have trusted Joyland Roofing with their needs. When it comes to maintenance and reliability, Joyland Roofing is the name you can trust. Let us help you keep your senior living facilities safe and comfortable. Contact us today for a free consultation and find out how easy it can be to have a contractor you can trust to get things done quickly and within budget.